It has been seen surprisingly that citizens are now interested in the campaigns carried out by Amos Chibaya and Gift Ostalo Siziba. Nelson Chamisa's new party takes shape in Zimbabwe. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel. Nelson Chamisa's proxies, former legislators Amos Chibaya and Gift Ostalo Siziba, have been addressing district meetings across the country to mobilize support for Nelson Chamisa. This is today's news about citizens being interested in the New Blue Movement campaign carried out by Gift Ostalo Siziba and Amos Chibaya. Please let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel.